Oh, you mean? Spoil it, big up yourself straight. Oh, you mean dirty man riot, blood clot, deal go tongue, blood clot, girl, will fuck for nothing. Girl, you can't even show your blood clot foot. You're ugly now, blood clot. You favor when close show over blood clot tree for dry. Move your blood clot, red big body blood clot, girl. You favor red brick. You favor project blood clot rat. You favor garbage pan. Oh, you mean? Tanya refer to Dan as the man royal. Move your done old blood clot. Your tongue stiff na blood clot. Your teeth left under woman pussy hole. Sodomite blood clot dirty man. You're not clean man a blood clot. You're the one clean man. So you can't get good pussy. Oh, you mean Tanya refer to blood clot? Hey, all wanna make sodomite look bad no blood clot, you know. Big up yourself and straight. Dirty blood clot, Nicole. All wanna make sodomite look bad no blood clot, you know. Come here tell you, say, if me ever change my mind and say, boy, me da make a girl fuck me. And see all blood clot you and you say you're blood clot sodomite. I choke personal for you and catch your blood clot fire. Oh, you mean, Tanya? Tanya can blood clot look like me? Eh? Tanya old blood clot done before blood clot. Tanya start have children. Tanya fuck pa and cat. Tanya fuck in a cemetery. Oh, you mean Tanya refer to blood clot? Dan, as a man right. Girl, come off from my blood clot name. Leg on my blood clot shirt. Now grab on for my blood clot pocket book. See to the one you care go work. Do me and blood clot birch. You understand? Dirty girl, stinking girl, Nicole. Dirty mouth blood clot girl. The man will fuck you as a blood clot so that might look like him working a blood clot poorhouse. Are you in the class? Are you reaching on the blood clot category? Dirty woman, are you reaching on the blood clot category? Dildo tongue, blood clot, stiff tongue, nasty girl. Move your blood clot so if you look like Salvation Army drum. When the man them done blood clot plate and show the blood clot big chapalin over it. And when that chapalin body are all blood clot sodomite to talk about. Eh? And when that all done gun all blood clot dung ton. Dildo blood clot soft tongue blood clot girl ya go. What's a shot 40? Girl you favor all man miracle na blood clot. You favor them all time blood clot spy kill shows. The one that will have no tip on the blood clot heel. We are going Nicole. And who tell if you mention me blood clot name? Remember Fred them come here and you have a blood clot gun, you know. And you run with your blood clot gun, you know. Hey, you make Fred them come all the way from blood clot Staten Island. Pussy old girl, you come over here, you know. I want to step to my blood clot, you see. I want to deal with one another, that's when the blood clot judge see me. Him just tell me go and go take some rest and blood clot come back. Hey, all old girl. Hey, rubbish pan blood clot looking girl. Hey, all crap face blood clot girl. Girl, you look bad now blood clot. And what kind of woman I make you fuck them? Eh? You're not even look clean and decent to blood clot. You favor some old blood clot, raggedy blood clot teddy bear, blood clot, dasher, blood clot, dolly. I want to the sodomite woman, ya man. Remember say you didn't come in on my blood clot inbox and want to suck out my blood clot hole. I want to tell Tanya them say let me see a blood clot picture. And if my hole never get sucked yet, I want a blood clot suck. Me couldn't make you suck my hole. Hey girl, where me know you from? Demon blood clot girl. Seven devil ride up in your blood clot. You just walk and suck pussy for nothing. You understand? Me not rate on a blood clot kind of girl. We're not talking about gay like blood clot. Step out Annika, you look good in a blood clot. You can't change jewelry with blood clot clothes. You can't see sneakers with blood clot pants, anything your blood clot was. Dirty dildo tongue blood clot Nicole. How it go? Eh? You want to start my blood clot be per IG. Dirty woman, you can't show nowhere where your blood clot live and you say me living at the project. In your favor some big blood clot swamp rat. Dirty stinking woman, you favor the shit where you jump out and post body blood clot all. Oh you mean you explain? Tanya talk down. Tanya not in on my blood clot class. A boy never fuck my all when me never give him yet. Any boy fuck my all and me give them it willfully. And them for blood clot pay for it. Me no walk and give a blood clot tongue. Me no lick out body. Me no suck cocky. I want to the blood clot so that my girl will use our blood clot teeth and trim blood clot ear off a pussy. Here I want to the blood clot girl we use our teeth and squeeze up people pussy blood clot tongue. Did the tongue blood clot woman come suck out the shit out of my body hole. Come on turn front way. Dirty woman, you know see where people are kill up themselves over now. Cause COVID take with blood clot people. A furniture and job me blood clot say. Clean blood clot house me say all if you live in the blood clot basket. All if you live in the blood clot bus blood clot station. Dirty dildo woman. Everything on the wall from me blood clot show no. Me show no say me a fuck a nice clean husband for over 25 blood clot years. Me show in my blood clot house say me live clean a blood clot. Me take out my blood clot shoes and show no say if you a big woman. My body stay right no pussy clot. Dildo tongue blood clot girl where you want with me. Me go and work like a decent blood clot lady and go home and blood go and come back home and cook my blood clot food. Dildo tongue rubbish pan all lady blood clot girl where you want. What you hear about? You don't hear from the other day you come talk about? Tanya can't talk me a blood clot. Tanya chop on no blood clot. Tanya fuck out the whole of the old man them in a blood clot rock top. Tanya pussy junk like blood clot rape out. And the only thing she can't get now is some junkin blood clot fuck. Oh you mean Tanya talk about Dawn at the Man Royal? Dawn your blood clot but ugly like blood clot Tanya for be Man Royal. Or it blood clot go. Me no ugly like blood clot Tanya for be Man Royal. My mouth now walk and chim blood clot water. Like when cocky see pussy and can't get it. And it does start leak. Or it blood clot go dirty woman. You and Tanya move on a blood clot. You and Tanya wish trip. Watch ya. Watch ya. Watch out, come on for that blood clot door. You don't open the blood clot door, you know. Stinking woman, oh you mean a damn Tanya talk? Wait till my blood clot see Tanya. Anything Tanya for blood clot tell me. When Tanya see me, talk to me. Don't talk to me with you. When Tanya blood clot see me, tell her to talk to me. Cause when me see her, me I go talk to her. You understand? Or the blood clot, the thinking to a blood clot old Tanya. I want the casket blood clot pussy old Tanya. I want the junkin pussy blood clot Tanya. I want to rape bait old blood clot Tanya. Tanya, remember say flyer look for your blood clot, you know. Flyer look for you where your blood clot they hide. Dirty old Tanya. Stinking old blood clot Tanya. Tanya can't get a blood clot fuck. Unless the man them no blood clot junk. Stinking old blood clot Tanya. Tombstone blood clot old Tanya. Oh it blood clot go. I want to the mascot girl man. I want to the thinking old blood clot. Dildo tongue dead old blood clot tongue. Blood clot Nicole. Nicole your tongue dead no blood clot. Your tongue where you use for suck woman pussy dead. You lag it out and it drop down. You stick it out and it fall down. And what kind of blood clot sodomite you be? You not even have tongue in your blood clot mouth. Your tongue come in like when you wrap up your blood clot dress and drop it into the bathroom when you are beard and the water wet it. And the blood clot does lie down blood clot so. Dildo old blood clot Nicole. Dildo tongue blood clot Nicole. Your tongue no stiff a blood clot. You can't suck a pussy good. And yet still you say you're blood clot sodomite. Dildo tongue blood clot girl. Your tongue can't even take off a woman blood clot dress. Dirty tongue blood clot sodomite blood clot girl. Your tongue dead no blood clot. Cause sodomite supposed to can use them tongue and take off a drawers. You're supposed to use your tongue as a blood clot sodomite and move the drawers blood clot lasket and cut the pussy in a blood clot too and yam it blood clot. Stinking mouth woman come off of me blood clot name. Dirty old woman a man fuck out my blood clot. Stinking woman man fuck me and mind me. Man fuck me and remember me. Man fuck me and give me things I want to a girl the man. Dirty blood clot Tanya. Oh yeah, she reached for me name Tanya. R.I.P. blood clot Tanya, rest in blood clot peace. Tanya, when you see me talk to me, you know. Remember, say me, I live in a blood clot Brooklyn, you know. Tanya, me not care about your white paper, them. Me not care about you could have 100 blood clot white paper. The judge a go blood clot, read them. Me want the judge for read them. You understand? Dildo tongue blood clot Nicole, how it go? Eh? You say you have your blood clot gun and you make fret them, make you drive up and down with your gun and just run from black to blood clot. Dildo, you want to come for me and bring your gun? You want blood clot come, everybody knows spot me living on Brooklyn faster blood clot Farragut. You want come for me because you're a driver. You want blood clot. Dirty woman, you favor cockroach no blood clot. Dildo tongue blood clot, girl, your tongue drop down. You never have teeth in your blood clot mouth. And you say you're a sodomite. And what you use to make a girl blood clot come? Your tongue neither 5 nor 4 blood clot inches when it drop down. It don't stick out like blood clot dead. You suck too much blood clot shit out the bottom. You want some clothes no blood clot. And who send you for me? And all your blood clot find down. Eh? Your pussy coming like when plate broke. And all your pleasure your blood clot self. I'll buck up on you as a sodomite and I use a hammer give you one licking at your blood clot pussy and tell you go away. Cause your tongue no blood clot good. And I use the nail part of the hammer I say. Drop it in your pussy hole and draw it up blood clot back and tell you say, if you have turn blood clot sodomite, you have a stiff tongue. Dirty Nicole, where me know you from. You fuck the old man with favor blood clot. The man them will wash blood clot dead out of bad. Him grave from him blood clot shoulder to him blood clot neck. Go up in him blood clot head and then it roll down him back. I want to them young blood clot girl I will say them in them 40s and can't hold a blood clot man. I want to them dildo tongue sodomite blood clot girl. Hey, Tanya fuck and I come disrespect me. Eh? Tanya fuck and come disrespect me. Tanya time for your fuck for something now we know Tanya. Tanya remember say you have children and grandchildren now we know. Tanya, everything for me there. Don't to my dog get a blood clot green card. Cause I could have left my blood clot dog at Jamaica when me a come a foreign. You understand me have a little dog named Tantan. Tan. You understand I bring my dog come a blood clot America Tani. You understand? Tani, me bring my dog come America and sell my blood clot dog America. The way my dog lovely and nice and beautiful and punctious the blood clot. Tanya favor rubbish pan. Tanya favor when woman see them period and the pad soak. You run water no blood clot like ice. You beat blood clot ice chuck and I eat the ice the inner. Tanya, why you want come for me again, Tanya? Tanya and me kill you. I am mama blood clot kill you. I am mama blood clot eat you. You fumble them 100 you. 100 and eat your blood clot. Tanya, why you come for me? And me make you live in an abandoned house with a raccoon and jump on your blood clot back. Tanya, why you coming for me with a dildo tongue? Blood clot, done old, blood clot, sodomite, blood clot girl, Tanya. Tanya, and me make you come America and you can't get a man. And me make you have to turn to a dildo tongue, drop down tongue, blood clot girl at this moment. Oh you mean, dirty old Nicole, oh you mean a Dan? Tanya talk. Tanya can't talk to me. See when me eat my blood clot food ya pan. Yeah, Tanya can't blood clot talk to me. Look, me can't look at my blood clot table and see my blood clot face. Tanya can't talk to me. Tanya can't talk to me. Tanya has to go look for her mother and talk to her mother. Tanya can't talk to me. My little girl in her own room. The first one when I have gone I work. The second when I have will live with them woman. Where the blood clot, Tanya can't talk to me and say, what you mean Tanya said Dan and the man royal Dan shut up. Another Dan you me shape good no blood clot. My mother give me good blood clot shape. And diamond in my blood clot all. Me now ask you, any man fuck me, fight themselves to stay with me. Any man fuck me. Always a beat if you not go nowhere. And where the blood clot do you dirty Nicole? And where do you want Tanya? Tanya you leak no blood clot, Tanya. Tanya you coming like ice. You coming like when cocky dead and it a drain out. Oh you mean a damn Tanya talk. I saw no mix up dirty old Tanya. Cause she not have no sense. She say rabbit and blood clot grab it. She kiss cat and say, look on the rat there. And where the blood clot do no dirty people. Who no want clothes. Who no want house. Who no want man. Who no want job. Who no want blood clot life around here. How it go? Look on my blood clot table where me eat pan. Oh, Tanya for talk to me. Who this? I don't know that person here. Tanya, look at this person here. I don't know who this. You understand? Tanya, look at who that. You understand? Because right now, the way my blood clot eye. Me in the blood clot sky up here. Ash cash. You understand? You understand the blood clot? You go with blood clot, Tanya. Tanya, where you pick up Nicole, where you find her? Come empty your blood clot and drop you in the garbage blood clot pound. And your bumbo clot, big old blood clot friend. Go back for you where the blood clot do no girl. You have to pay cocky and brush off cocky like old. You no brush blood clot furniture. And when you no brush cocky run left for no blood clot. And when you no use no mouth and wash cocky gone left for the same way. I want to know. Why me? Dirty woman, I'm a work my blood clot go. Me can't come from blood clot table again, come blood clot show my face. Because I had people look up to me for my blood clot promotion when I get from my blood clot job. Stinking old blood clot Nicole. Look for your man, when you think about me to blood clot Nicole, think about good clothes, think about good ear, think about clean pussy, think about shoes. Or the blood clot, you look for me and you look so. I don't know what the shit up, Tanya. The other day, me shitting on my blood clot toilet, and when me look back, so, when me a blood clot wipe out the body, well, not Tanya me see na the blood clot toilet. Tanya me shit out your blood clot, you're ugly na blood clot. Your favorite shit. Why you come America for take set from me, Tanya? Me couldn't fuck a man and bring blood clot, Tanya. Tanya, you'd have to last in the blood clot cemetery. You'd have to last in the blood clot condom with the man I put on. You stay bad no blood clot. You coming like the sprinkler in a blood clot, Manhattan. What does a spring road? So does a spring blood clot water? I don't know one to them, Sharon. Me there I run through my phone and I come from work and I say, you know what? Me make some oats porridge today, yeah? You understand? And show little Camille na the oats porridge. You understand? And get a nice little porridge. And then I say, I'm go and looking at the fridge when I go do. Because you know a Friday. You know how we Jamaican get up people, we not cook on Friday. But with some blood clot cold, I couldn't even stop. And get something for me and my blood clot husband. I say, no, I'm come wrap up something. Because Friday, I'm not going to worry himself. Bam, 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 bam. But just got a bam, bam, blame out some blood clot oats. Put on the Camille and put the two of them together. And scald piece of blood clot saltfish. I make some nice saltfish blood clot fritters. With my brown blood clot bread, I sit on a blood clot, eat it. Let me go for the blood clot plate if you don't think I lie, me I tell. This blood clot, nasty old, stinking old, dirty old, rumstead old blood clot, Nicole. Nicole, where you go? Where you are go, your favorite clot? Now blood clot. Nicole, your favorite some dirty clot. Yeah. Dirty old Nicole, dillo tongue blood clot, Nicole. Why me? Why you think you can't choose me? Me I go show you how me lick out the blood clot plate. My grandparents them down here, you know, I don't want to put video upon blood clot, they make their mama kill me. You understand? So I just make sure I black it out when me I go. See the blood clot dish here, so I lick it out. Me think I could eat off 2 slices of bread and 3 fritters. I couldn't go no further. What time if you go tell blood clot Nicole about me? This is my chair on my blood clot table when I eat pan. And dirty old Tanya, you know, see raccoon in my blood clot house. Tanya, go live with raccoon and raccoon in a house up a piece by your blood clot. You don't make no sense in America, you're nonsense old blood clot. Tell him you don't want to be your age again. Cause Tanya, anyway, me a 40 blood clot too like you. You know who me da go fuck right now? Me da go fuck Donald blood clot chump. The world greatest eater. Cause when a blood clot eat him, it not do nothing to him. You understand? I'm done now because I promise my husband I'm not doing this again. Have a good night. He just arrived.